I'm Mike Meridieth. I'm the owner and president of KDM Group LLC. We're a full-service concrete contractor. We do mostly commercial work, about 90% of it. We do some residential work. A couple builders we work with that do higher-end, larger stuff. But for the most part, we do a lot of pre-engineered metal buildings, restaurants, retail. We got a pretty good niche, and we've grown crazy leaps and bounds in the last couple of years, and it's just been the last 3 years have been pretty insane. So right now we're working on a new maintenance garage for Bedford Township. And this is for a repeat customer, Key Construction. It's a 18,000 square feet pre-engineered metal building, spread footings, short walls, column pads and piers, which we're digging now. Good fit for us, good fit for our guys, good fit for our equipment. We had an old Takeuchi, and it overachieved in everything it did, and compared to like our Bobcats and our Cats, I bought a used TL230. It worked great for us. I had a need for some parts, so I went to Columbus Equipment. The guys in the parts department were great, and then the guys in the service department were super helpful. Then DJ came into the fold, and DJ kind of got us the demo one, let us use it while we were making a decision. We used it for about a week. 3 days in, I'm like, we're so much more efficient with this. This is perfect. And then we ordered the 290, the TB290, and what a difference it's made. Just the ability to move faster, to the point where I had to up my labor on projects to keep up with him as he's digging, and then loading trucks, just the whole thing. It's just a step up of a machine. And again, just like the 250, the 290 overachieves to the point where it's doing things that a bigger excavator would do. I talked to DJ about maybe a bigger track loader. And so he sold us a TL10 about a month ago. And again, it does everything we want it to do and more. And that's been the kind of the twofold with the Takeuchis for us has been they're ultra dependable and reliable. I tell people all the time when they're asking me, why do you guys run them? I'm looking at this, I'm looking at that. I said, man, we barely change the oil and grease them, and they just keep taking it and taking it and taking it. I think I've got 3,000 hours on my 2018 and 25 on my 19, and they run the way they did when I bought them. And I've got a lot of buddies and a lot of friends in this that are a lot of them are cat guys, and everybody loves cats, don't get me wrong. They're great machines. My guys like the Takeuchis because we get more out of a smaller, I say physically smaller machine. We get more out of it from a power standpoint. The power's, it's unmatched. And this is opinion, but I believe it's fact. In my world, it's fact. I've tried every brand. I've tried them, I've ran them, I've owned them, I've done all that. And the power in a Takeuchi in a smaller package exceeds everything we could want. And that is from a field application, aside from the dependability, because that speaks for itself. Dependability for us is downtime is money. I mean, I can't afford downtime, and especially when you're growing at the rate we're growing. Aside from maybe a hydraulic line or something simple, we really just don't have downtime. We just don't have issues from a dependability standpoint. I can't say enough good things about my sales rep, and not because we became friends, but he's just super helpful and always out in front of stuff. We focus all of our time out on the jobs. To have truly a partner in the business has been beyond valuable for us. Again, the way we end up with the 290 is he said, here, demo it, try it out. They didn't charge me. I would have happily rented it, but they didn't have to do that. But they're always trying to, and we're not their biggest customer by any stretch, but they're always trying to keep in front of it to keep us not just happy, but also keep us as efficient and productive as we can be, because face it, if we're doing well, we're going to keep buying machines. There's always going to be the need. So it's been a great fit for us. I can't say enough good about Columbus from the service side, the parts side, and then DJ's just a rock star.